Dear viewers and all my esteemed subscribers, I am M. Mustafa. Welcome back to Wonder Pixels. Today I will teach you how to build a basic remote controller device with ATtiny 85 microcontroller. At the same time, there are some techniques for doing AVR programming. I have designed this PCB layout for you to make the project very easy. You can download this image file from the video description. You can also use this relay module for this work. Anyway, get started by this PCB. Dear friends, I have included a circuit diagram in the video description. Download and follow it to make this circuit board. Now connect an IR sensor with Arduino for data encoding of IR remote. Connect the positive supply pin of the IR sensor to the 5V pin of the Arduino. Now connect the negative pin to the ground pin of the Arduino. Finally connect the data output pin to Arduino's digital pin 4. Look at the interface. Okay. Now connect the Arduino to the computer via USB cable. Okay. Now open the IR decoder file in Arduino IDE software. Download this file from the video description. Now select your Arduino. Tools, Board. Select your Arduino from this menu. Now select Comport from Tools menu. Verify. Done compiling. Upload. Done uploading. Now take any one IR remote controller, then open the serial monitor from here. Check out the value of serial begin here, then select that value from this menu button. Now press the 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons of the remote one by one. Here are the 4 numbers that we are received from the remote control. Copy those 4 numbers from here. Press Ctrl C. Now open a notepad. Then press Ctrl V. Now which code is for which button, type it and save the note. File save. Then simply reconnect your Arduino to computer via USB cable. Now click on File, Examples, Arduino ISP. Now Tools, Board. Select your Arduino from here. Then Tools, Programmer, AVR ISP MKLL. Finally compiling. Done compiling. Then upload. Okay, our Arduino is ready as a ISP programmer. Connect a 10 microfarad capacitor to the ground from Arduino's reset pin. Then insert ATtiny 85 IC on the breadboard. Connect Arduino's 5V pin and IC's pin number 8. Arduino's ground to pin number 4. Connect a 0.1 microfarad capacitor ground to 5 volts. IC's pin number 7 to digital pin 13. Pin number 6 to digital pin 12. Pin number 5 to digital pin 11. Finally pin number 1 to digital pin 10. Okay, the ATtiny 85 microcontroller is ready for programming. Now connect your Arduino to computer. Now open your Arduino IDE, then File, Open. I have included this file in the video description. Open. Now the receipt code from the remote you have to fill up here. Now open the Save Notepad, then copy, paste here. Okay, now we need to include ATtiny Arduino core in this software. For that, click on the Tools menu, Boards Manager. In this case, you need to keep your computer connected to the internet. Now type here ATtiny core. This is our ATtiny core. Install from here. Then close it. Now click on the Tools menu, Board, ATtiny 85 OptiBoot. Click on the Tools, Ship ATtiny 85. Tools, Clock Source 8 MHz. Then Tools, Programmer, Arduino as ISP, BARM bootloader. Finally upload. Okay, done uploading. Now open the microcontroller and insert it into the socket. Finally connect the phase to the common pin of each relay and connect the loads to each NO pin of the relay. This is 12-volt power supply socket. And here the red wire is phase and the black wire is neutral. Dear friends, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.